Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting, and first of all you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds. Now from here guys, just simply turn this off and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, and if you're using Wi-Fi to open the page guys, just simply turn to mobile data or vice versa. Now from here guys, scroll it down, then you have to tap on general and also make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go back from here and just simply open the settings again. Just simply scroll it down and locate for the Safari app. Now from here guys, you have to tap on that, scroll it down all the way. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on advanced. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on website data, and you can easily see the website data here. If you have any, just simply you have to tap on remove. You can see remove button at the bottom, just simply tap on that. Now go back from here and just simply you have to tap on clear history and website data, then you have to clear history from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it's still not working, you have to open the settings again, then scroll it down, tap on channel, and also make sure that your device is up to date with the latest version. Then you have to scroll it down and also make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting. Okay guys, just simply you have to reset the network setting, and just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.